Hi, this is Mel B, and I'm taking right out of the box a Belletress City collection. It's my first city collection. It's called Montecito, and look at this color. Cake Batter Blonde. Is this not gorgeous? I don't know that I'm familiar with seeing this in any other line. It's the combination of light blonde and darker blondes, and browns in there that's just so pretty, so much dimension. And we're gonna get to put her on and see what she looks like. You see, I haven't even combed out the part. Now, your part comes like this because they don't want it to have a set part that you have to really work with because you might want it in a different spot. So they zigzag it, so when you get it, you're gonna create the part that you want. Let's take a look on the inside. Look at this extended lace from your ears into your ear tab to the other end tab. So wonderful lace, extended lace. And I think I've worn the older Belletress before, and I just think their lace feels much softer than the ones that I have previously had. Here you have the felt back nape and the Velcro adjustable straps, your open wefting. So this is going to be a nice summer one because you have the open wefting and it's shorter. So you're gonna get all that hair that you're wearing down around you that can get hot. This is gonna be much cooler for you. So let's go ahead and try it on. Oh, look at this. Oh. I don't know what it's gonna do yet. Now this is you. When you get your wig, you're gonna wanna pull those ear tabs, put it on, and then we're gonna have to see how we want it to lie. So I want this to be about 4 fingers up. Everyone's a little different. Just find what looks very natural on you. Now look, this was out of the box. I have not put a comb to it. This is it. This is really a nice style. I like the way this sweeps back, the way it's cut back and wants to sweep back. And then look at this. I love this swept over bangs. This looks really good. I'm feeling really nice in this. Let's take a look at that hairline. Look at that hairline. Ladies, can you believe it? Look at that. Who in the world is ever gonna think that this is a wig when you're wearing it? They can get this close, up in your face. Look at how that lace just disappeared totally. I don't see the lace whatsoever. I love it. This is beautiful hairline. The fibers feel really nice. It's really lightweight. That feels really good on. I like this. Before I comment out, let's just take a look around at it, 360. Are you seeing what I'm saying about this? You know how sometimes you get a wig, you really have to play with it to get it to look in a style that, I don't know, that's easy, that's just straight out of the box. I promise you, you saw me. I just am putting this on. Look at the zigzag part is still there, and it looks this good already. Okay, so no permatease in this whatsoever. So this is gonna lay down really nice, giving you that low density look. So let's get a comb and we're gonna comb through that part. And guess what? I'm gonna go get one. I'll be right back. I have my comb. Let's comb it out and get that zigzag part out of there. Now, one of the things I like to do is see if it can find its natural way, and then run your comb through gently around that lace front. But this has a side mono part. Run it back and see, put your finger there in one of the grooves of the wide tooth comb. And then that's gonna be my part. I could work on it some more, but for time's sake and just to show you that as an example, let's take a look at this. Look at that lace front. Ladies, hold the phone, right? Look at that. It's gorgeous. The lace front, the color mentioned, it's a natural looking blonde. It's not yellowy, it's not orangey. It's got the cool and the warm mixed in together. I love it. And look how that frames down this way. Take a look around again. It's very soft. The fiber is so soft that when you touch it and feel it, oh my gosh, it feels like real hair. It feels like real hair. And when I tuck it, do you see that? There's no it's not sticking up full and thick. Now, this is heat friendly. So if you want to get some volume in it, you can actually get in there 275 to 300 Fahrenheit, and you could give it some beachy waves. You can get 2 of these wigs, wear one straight, put beach waves in the other, and your coworkers and people will never know. They'll just think you have a different style, but same color, same style, and get 2. And that way you can have 2 wigs with different styles, but they'll be the same, right? And people won't know. And look at that hairline. Who's gonna know with the way that lace front is not, you can't see it. You can't see it. This is my first city collection, and I don't think it'll be my last. This is Montecito, and I would love to get this in some other colors or a different style. Check it out. I'm going to leave the link below where you can get Montecito along with the other Belletress wigs at wigs.com. And that's it, my friends. I guess I'll see you in the next video. Doing my darlings. Bye.